Alright, I got something cool. My friend did this, so I'm doing it. I got a tailgate assist shot. Oh shit, don't fly away. I need you to hold this. It took us about 30 minutes the other day. So, we just attach it here. The shock will go up here. And it'll look beautiful. It took us about 30 minutes the other day. I'm hoping I can get this done in like 10, if that. Because I kind of know what to do. So, yeah, we'll just start. My friend today, he had ratchet tendon. I lost mine a while ago. So no cool down there. Oh, that's clipped on. That's secure. Because I kind of know what to do. So after a quick trip to Ace, I figured it out. So we just had to bind this on, and then here's the shock. And we do this. Alright. We just, it's a little freaky at first, but it slowly goes down. Install was a little, a little iffy just because I had to run to the store. But other than that, it's pretty simple.